We have made a few commits so far, but where are these commits? Let me show you. So we use the log command to look at our history. Take a look. So here are all the commits we have created, sorted from the latest to the earliest. So here's our last commit on top. Each commit has a unique identifier. This is a 40-character hexadecimal string that Git automatically generates for us. You can think of it like a revision number, but unlike a revision number, it doesn't increase. It's just a unique identifier, okay? Now, next to that, we have head pointing to master. What is this? Well, we're going to talk about this a lot in the future, but master is the main branch or the main line of work in Git. In some other version control systems, it's called trunk. In Git, we can have multiple branches, so we can work on multiple features or multiple bug fixes in parallel and then combine our code. We'll talk about that later in the course. Now, head is a reference to the current branch. So this is how Git knows what branch we're currently working on. Again, we're going to talk about this a lot in the future. Now, for each commit, you can see the author, the name of the author, as well as their email, the date and time the commit was created, as well as the one-line description. Like here, we have multiple commits that are spread across multiple pages. We can press space to go to the next page. And again, now to quit, we can press Q. Now, the log command has a few interesting options. One of them is one line. This shows us a short summary of the commits. So here we have the unique identifier that is shortened to 7 characters, and we only have the one-line description. So we don't have the author as well as the date and time of each commit. We have another option for reversing the sort order. Let me show you. So git log one line, and then we add -- reverse. Now you can see the first commit being on top, and here's the last commit. Now the log command is very powerful. So in the future, we're going to talk a lot about it. In fact, we have a complete section on browsing history. I'm going to show you various ways to get reports from the history. For now, let's just stick to the basics.